This is your local election headquarters.
Welcome back. State lawmakers debate whether to schedule a constitutional convention to come up with a new constitution. Members of the House Governmental Affairs Committee debate a bill last week. Proponents say the current Constitution is a very long and heavily amended document in need of some reform. The bill calls for the convention to begin May 20th, which would consist of more than 170 delegates. The proposal has a long way to go. Committee debate will continue throughout the week. A vote could happen in the coming days. It's Black Maternal Health Week, and senators and advocate groups rallied at the state capitol. They're voicing their concerns about problems many black women face during childbirth and during pregnancy. Two bills by State Senator Regina Barrow passed out of committee. SB 142 requires a doula or someone trained to provide emotional and physical support to be covered by Medicaid. SB 143 provides hypertension screenings. An advocate at the rally says these two bills are a step in the right direction.
Immediately, I was put on magnesium. I was told that I had preeclampsia and that my delivery the process had to start right away. We still have a lot of work to do moving forward, but I do think that is a step forward.
Barrow adds that when women talk about or complain they are having an issue or having pain, it's dismissed by some physicians. In St. Tammany Parish, a recall petition is circling around businesses to take the embattled coroner out of office. Ashley Hamilton explains.
In downtown Covington, written in chalk, is a message for people who want a new coroner in St. Tammany Parish.
Our only recourse left is the recall, and that's what we plan to do.
The petition is a result of two factors. When Dr. Christopher Tate took office earlier this year, he announced he was ending the sexual assault nurse examiner program. That, plus the discovery of child sexual assault charges from 2001 in New Mexico, charges that were eventually dismissed, have caused outrage in the community.
We need adults, responsible adults in place who can make decisions that are actually protective of our children, not going to harm them further.
Others who have signed a petition say, to be a coroner, the community has to trust you.
Even if you didn't get convicted, if it was something that brevity that you know is such a controversial topic, as some of the charges that he was facing, you absolutely need to be truthful to your voters.
For any office, much less an office like the coroner, which has some very critical roles for our community, whether it's sexual assault victims, mental health problems.
Organizers need about 38,000 valid signatures in order to recall Dr. Tate. Many say they are confident residents will come out in droves to sign the petition.
We get different people in every day. Just this morning, we've had almost 20 signatures, and that's just in a couple hours.
It's going to be a lot of work, but we can do it. I mean, we have over 100 volunteers, and that number is growing every day.
After the Alton Sterling protest in 2016, a BLM activist was sued. He then asked for the Supreme Court to step in to keep his case from going forward. An update is next.